Imagine your room light turns on automatically when you enter and off when you leave. No switches, no effort. In this video, I'll show you how to make a motion sensor light using Arduino and a PIR sensor. This is simple, beginner-friendly, and super useful. This is a PIR sensor. PIR means passive infrared. It detects heat changes from human bodies. When someone moves, it sends a signal to Arduino. For this project, we need Arduino UNO, PIR sensor, LED, 220 ohm resistor. Now let's connect everything. PIR VCC to 5V, PIR GND to GND, PIR out to pin 2, LED to pin 13 through resistor. Make sure connections are correct, otherwise it won't work. Now upload this code to your Arduino. Code pinned in comment box. Arduino reads PIR signal. If motion detected, LED on. No motion, LED off. After uploading, wait for 30 seconds. PIR sensor needs time to stabilize. No motion, LED off. Move hand, LED on. As you can see, it detects motion instantly. This sensor has two controls: sensitivity, detection range, time delay, how long light stays on. You can use this for automatic room lights, bathroom lights, security systems. If you like this project, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More Arduino projects coming soon.